So let's summarize HydroSal Part 2. And I would like to summarize it because I'm committed not to extend my talking time, because then we cannot compile the file. Zoom is very busy and we have a hard time for them to process the files that we ask them to record. So what did we learn today? HydroSal is available in two forms, 1 and 2. HydroSal is a viable technology. It's a very interesting and novel technology that works in two steps. One we do in our place, one happening during the use of the product containing the HydroSal. We also learned that it's very easy to formulate. It's really a piece of cake. If somebody says, I don't know, I'm really happy to show him how to do it. We have guidance videos. It's really, try it and you will see how easy it is to do it. And the different products with HydroSal are providing a technical solution, not just a formulation solution, but a technical solution to unmet needs. And what does it mean? It means that you can claim that you have a nice technology in your product. And it doesn't cost much to claim so. It's great new marketing positioning, and overall, it's not an expensive additional material to add into the formula, and it makes the formula perform much better.